Happy birthday, Daddy. We love you so much. Thank you for everything you've done and you pahunod to us. Thank you for giving us yummy dishes. Thank you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Ikaw,
Yeah.
ano sabihin mo kay Daddy?
Happy birthday, Nancy. I love you. Thank you for everything. And thank you for letting me. And let you live for happily ever after. For Daddy, so for the shaman. Thank you, Mama, too. God bless you. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday po, ano po, ang wish ko po sa inyo, makaano pong happy life po, tapos long life po, tapos, sa favorite memory, pag bonding taga-boss pa. Tapos, Galo, Rolex.
Regalo mo in the future.
In the future.
Ano pa?
Tapos, I love you po, so much.
Dear Dad, on your birthday, I want to express my deepest gratitude for your unwavering love, wisdom, and guidance. Throughout my life, you have been a pillar of strength and source of inspiration, and I am so proud to call you my father. And may this special day bring you joy, good health, and all the happiness you so richly deserve. Happy birthday pa.
Hello, Daddy! Happy birthday po. Wish ko for you is more birthdays to come. And please stay healthy. Kasi marami pa po tayong pupuntahan, marami pa po tayong gagawin in the future. So, I pray na maging healthy pa din kayo nila, Mommy. Even after years to come. And thank you po. Thank you for being thank you for being the best dad. And thank you for being a great dad for all of us. I really appreciate po kung paano ka nag-e-effort para sa akin. Lalo na't malayo ako. Na-appreciate ko po kapag pumupunta ka doon para lang may ibigay or may ipadala sa beach. Na-appreciate ko po yung pagbigay mo ng care and time and syempre effort sa amin. And mas lalo ko talaga po yung na-appreciate ngayong college ko. Ngayon po, happy birthday. I love you so much. Mwah!
Hello, Daddy! Happy birthday! Oh, mag-45 ka na. 45 na pala. 45 years old ka na, pero you look young. Tumatanda, pero hindi halata. Ang wish ko, good health. Sana maging malakas ka pa rin kahit mag-50 ka na. Sana iwasan ang palaging galit kasi ang wrinkles mo dumadagdag. And yun, we love you! Happy birthday again!
Flying kiss!
Happy birthday, Dad. I love you so, more than all the stars that glow. You're my hero, my guiding light. I'm so grateful to have you in my side. Your wisdom and your humor guide my way. I cherish every moment, every day. You taught me so much, I'm forever grateful for your love and support, always faithful. Happy birthday,
He's my dad. He's my mate. And I love him, always will. He's just great. Not a day goes by that he's not on my mind. I wish I could see.
Yes, yeah.
Anong nakalagay sa card mo?
Ito na.
Turo it. Turo it. Oh, ano yan? Ano nakalagay dyan?
Happy?
Happy, happy, happy.
Happy
Ito.
Ano Happy New Year? What is this?
Badminton
What
pala.
is this?
Happy birthday, Daddy!
Ha? Lagan. Si Big
Sino
Taco.
to? Ay, ano to?
Ha?
Shoot!
Shoes. Ay, to. Sino to?
Nene? Aka, Ate Daddy.
Ayan, ano yan?
Mr. DIY.
Why? Bakit mo nilagay si Mr. DIY?
Ate, ganyan what?
Kasi,
Yeah.
dinadala ka ni Daddy sa Mr. DIY.
Yes.
Yung sa likod naman. Pakita mo sa likod. Oh, ay wow, may cake. Sino nag-drawing yan?
Aka.
Ano nilagay mo sa card mo?
This is Daddy with abs.
Ano ba?
And this is me.
Ano yan?
Don't laugh! Don't look at that because I made a mistake.
Pakita mo. Ano yan? Sige, lapit mo. Ano yung mga design, mga drawing mo? Ano yan? Kayo ni Daddy?
There's a horse at patata.
Saan pa?
Big bike.
Yeah.
At
Tapos
kami
yan.
ni Daddy nagmumutan kami bike.
Yeah! O, sige, sa akin na muna. So, ito ang aking letter kay Daddy. Wala na sa likod. Dito lang.
Babida, babida.
So, my gift for you in the future is house and lot. Dapat may rooftop yan eh, pero nakagawa na ako ng cone. Inverted cone. Yeah. So, banta na. Basta house and lot. Explanation, letter, yan. Anong dinrawin mo, Kobe?
One, ay ano, like, face. Ano ba? So, kiray. So, eyes. So, nose. Hanggang so, dila. Tapos, nagbabasketball kami ni Daddy. Si Daddy.
Di ba tatama basketball?
Ako. Tapos, po, may gift ko yung Rolex po.
Dad, I love you more than words can say. You're my hero in every way. Thank you for everything you do. I'm so proud to be your son, daughter. It's true. We shed so many laughs, so many tears. You've always been there to calm my fears. A father's love is a precious gift. I'm so lucky to have you. I lift my fist. Dad, I love you more than words can say. You're my hero in every way. Thank you for everything you do. I'm so much special. I believe in you. With every challenge, you'll see it through. I love you.
Daddy.
Cause you are my father, the light of my eyes. I give every dollar to keep you forever by my side. You always pick up when I
Hello, Mommy! Ano po, akala mo wala ka? Siyempre, meron ka din because it's Christmas! Hi, Mommy ko! Hi! Where do I even start sa message ko sa'yo? Okay, alam ko na. Thank you so much. Just like my daddy, thank you for being the best mom could ever ask for. Sobrang swerte namin, naging mommy ka namin. And syempre, alam ko pong sobrang swerte din ni daddy, naging asawa ka niya. Ay, ang dami-dami mo pong ginawa para sa pamilyang to na sobrang na-appreciate ko. From those small things na hindi mo sinasabi sa amin, and to those big things na minsan sinasabi mo po sa akin. Sobra ko pong na-appreciate kung gaano ka maalaga from the very start. Mula sa akin pa lang hanggang kay Ali. Halatang halata na po. And gusto ko rin pong i-wish na maging strong and healthy ka hanggang future. Yung mga gusto ko, marami pa po akong gustong gawin and bumawi sa inyong dalawa ni Daddy. And yung pinaka-wini-wish ko lang po ngayon is maging strong yung relationship niyong dalawa and yung health po ninyo. Talagang alagaan yung mommy and daddy kasi kailangan pa po natin mag-travel in the future. Paano kayo makakapag-travel kung limitado na, diba? So, yun lang. I love you po.
Mami, salamat po sa mga ginawa mo po sa amin at just wanna say thank you for being there for me and us and I wish you a happy life and more years to come and I love you. That's all.
Merry Christmas po, me. Nagustuhan baga po. Kama gabus kaswit ko tapos picture. Tapos pero nawalat ko so lagang kang mahal. Sa pagbalikan na lang. Baka mayo na tudoy. At I love you po, me, so much, me. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Mommy. I love you, Mommy. You are my beloved Mommy. I want you because you always protect me. You always sundok me. And you always sundok me. You always protect me. Yeah. Thank you, Mommy. Happy birthday.
Hindi man birthday ni Mommy. Okay.
It's okay if you follow me every day when I collect because I love you. Bye-bye, Mommy.
Ali.
Mama, I love you so much. Thank you for everything. Protect me. Thank you, Mama. Happy birthday.
Hindi nga.
Bye-bye. Yung chuchu.
Ka dyan. Maulo mo.
Baso-baso na ko.
Pesto.
Daddy.
I love you and happy.
I love you both.
Merry Christmas. Beautiful eyes.
Ang lapit naman. Okay, ulit. Sige. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday,
Daddy.
Ano na we love you both? Okay.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
I
Love you both. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas!
6, 7.